Hi, this is Alterman 156. I'm going to be demonstrating our Sears 139-53985 half horsepower garage door opener. It has a trolley rail, which is from a Sears 139-53500 garage door opener that was originally purchased in 1985, but it gave up the ghost in 2004. So the current power unit is the replacement. The trolley rail was fitted to the new power unit. It is an all chain drive, but originally it was a chain and cable drive. I changed it to an all chain drive in 1990 as the garage door that it operates is a rather heavy wood garage door. Of course, a wood double garage door that was manufactured by Crawford probably sometime in the 1950s. And the garage door itself uses two 380-pound springs. So you can probably get an idea upon how heavy this door is. And yes, the garage door opener can handle it fine. I'm going to run it up by using the wall button. Yes, I do have the appropriate remote for it, but I'm going to demonstrate it by using the wall button. So I'm going to run it up. As you can see, we did get a little snow, and I had cleared it with my Perma Power shovel. Sorry, no video about that. This is focusing on the garage door opener, and now I'm going to run it down. It isn't too loud, but because it is mounted on a steel beam, the sound does get into the house. In the bedroom area, of course, unfortunately. The front bedrooms seem to get it more than the rear bedrooms. For the record, before the Sears 139-53500 garage door opener was installed, this garage door was operated by an earlier Sears unit. I do not know the model number, but it was made by Perma Power, which eventually became Chamberlain, and the original opener was installed probably in 1965. If anyone recalls the model number of that particular opener, please let me know. Thank you very much.